Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today is about an app called Premise. Premise been around, I don't know, maybe 3 years, 4 years, I don't know, but I've been doing it a few years now. You know, you can make money taking surveys and doing tasks. I mostly do the surveys. A lot of people might want to do the tasks, going in stores and getting certain information. With me, I prefer to do the surveys. But Premise, it's only $10 to cash out through PayPal. And I think you can cash out to something like Payoneer or something like that. The surveys that they give you are real simple, and some surveys, a lot of them is like 50 cents, 75 cents. I even got one that was $5 one time, but they don't do that too much. You just have to be lucky and catch one of them. But you can get to $10 real quick. So this is another way to make some money on your cell phone or smartphone or whatever. And it's on the App Store, and it's also on the Google Play Store. So whether you have an Android or an iPhone, you can make money with Premise. Like I say, the surveys is like super easy. Like I say, I don't too much do the tasks. But they do have more tasks and surveys, and they do pay more. But I just like to do the surveys whenever I do it. It's just another little side, I ain't gonna say revenue stream, but you could say that. But just when you want to make some extra money and get an extra $10, or you might not be ready to cash it at $10. You might want to run up your earnings past $10 and then cash out. And they pay the PayPal instantly. Like, as soon as you cash out, like in a few seconds, it's in your PayPal account. So with that being said, I'm going to put the link below. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, like I said, I'm going to put that link below, and y'all have a good day. Peace.